can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades below $62,000. Bitcoin trades below its 200-day moving average, sits around $63,600. Right now, there's fear back in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, liquidations in the market has been rising. A lot of traders are losing their hard-earned cash. The last 1 week has seen a decline in prices. The last 1 week has seen Bitcoin lose 3.8% of its value. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Let's get to business. Right now, Bitcoin is still struggling below that 200-day moving average. The last 6 months has been brutal if you have been holding Bitcoin. But guys, better to be holding Bitcoin than to be holding all coins, because with all the chaos Bitcoin has seen over the last 6 to 7 months, Bitcoin is just down 16% from its all-time highs. If you look at the vibes in the market, you will not think that Bitcoin is down 16% from all-time high. The vibes in the market is fear. The vibes in the market is pessimism. The vibes in the market is showing a lot of traders are angry, expecting Bitcoin to pump to all-time highs by now. There's a lot of hype coming to 2024. Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin ETF, or Bitcoin has faltered to deceive in 2024. And right now, we are trading below $65,000. But that's very, very positive, guys. You want to look at it from that perspective, because a lot of traders are losing money trading the markets, betting the price of Bitcoin, getting overconfident. In the last 24 hours, $52.96 million was lost trading Bitcoin. Those traders bet that the price of Bitcoin will go to the moon. Bitcoin stayed dumping to goblin town. But if you zoom out on a longer time frame, guys, if you're in this market for the long haul, if you're in this market to make some life-changing gains, Bitcoin is up 4.9% in the last 1 month. And I believe on a longer time frame, Bitcoin will continue pumping to higher values. But right now, we might see Bitcoin pumps not reach that 70K. I've been a big proponent of Bitcoin not reaching 70K. Remember, I told you guys my target was Bitcoin getting to its 200-day moving average. Bitcoin has gotten there. We've been saw Bitcoin for some few days rallying above it, getting to $66,000. I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin rallies back to its 200-day moving average and continue having difficulties at that price level. My bigger time frame perspective for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is more likely to go towards $10,000 before we see Bitcoin going towards $100,000. Markets went through accumulation down in November 2022. We saw a markup period when Bitcoin rallied up by 372% in 488 days. We've been going sideways for the last 6 to 7 months, and that's just a signal that big players are distributing. That's just a signal that we're getting ready for one epic dump to goblin town. Let's take a look at the news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin open interest surges past $35 billion, raises overheating concern. Bitcoin recent surge in open interest beyond $35 billion has analysts worried about the potential fraud in the markets. And just like you have it, the market has started dumping. Some people will say it's because of the Middle East tensions, Israel, Iran. Some people will say meme coins were already pumping. The market was getting overheated. But one thing is sure, we saw a decline in the market. One thing is sure, Bitcoin has gone from $66,000, getting to as low as $60,000, losing around 10% of its value. And that 10% dump in Bitcoin came in very quickly. The crypto market can be very volatile. We can see huge swings to the upside, like Bitcoin rallying 26% in 21 days. But the downside is that we can see Bitcoin also losing around 10% of its value in no time. So you want to avoid leverage, guys. You want to buy when the prices are low. You want to buy when you want to sell when the prices are high. You want to buy fear in the market. You want to sell green in the market. We saw greed just showing the market briefly last week. Right now we're back in fear. That's to tell you how volatile the market is. We're swinging between fear and greed. Bitcoin again is forming a three blind mice trading pattern. That's what this veteran trader Peter Brandt is saying. Veteran trader Peter Brandt warning to crypto traders suggests Bitcoin may fall into a deeper downtrend. You might not like hearing these guys, but if Bitcoin starts dumping to goblin town, panic will return back to the cryptocurrency market. All coins will be obliterated. I don't think we're perfectly at that time. I think we have one final pump to the upside. But guys, this final pump to the upside is your signal to sell. Bitcoin trading at $61,000 is at a very high price. Last year, this time, Bitcoin was down in Goblin Town. Bitcoin has risen up by 123% over the last 1 year. Ask yourself this simple question, guys. In a year's time from now, where will Bitcoin be trading? Do you think Bitcoin will be trading at $120,000, or will Bitcoin be nearing the $10,000 mark? The jury is out there. Time will judge all of us, right? North Carolina Bitcoiners set up hurricane search and rescue operation. The Bitcoiners will focus on overlooked community in West North Carolina Caroline that have had received little or no state or federal support and remain cut off from life-saving supplies. Bitcoin price decline continues. How are professional Bitcoin traders positioned? Bitcoin traders maintain a neutral sentiment despite the uptick in geopolitical tension and uncertainty within the market. Because guys, if I'm a whale and I bought Bitcoin when it was $15,000, right now I'll be selling for some sweet profit. Right now I'll be selling those positions for a 3x markup, for a 4x markup. That's what I believe the whales are doing right now. And we'll see in the coming days and the coming weeks, Bitcoin dominance rising. Bitcoin dominance has been rising over the last 2 years. But guys, if Bitcoin dominance starts dumping to gobbling time, I'll be expecting it to do. Remember, the altcoin market will take off, and the altcoin market takes off like we've seen over the last few days. If we see a reacceleration of the altcoin market, that might just be a telltale sign that we're at the end of this relief rally. The rally always ends when altcoins are pumping aggressively. The rally always ends when meme coins have joined the party. Maybe, just maybe, the rally ended last week, but hopefully we still have one final pump before the end of the year. The general consensus in the market is that Q4 is bullish, but right now traders are just holding on, waiting to see where the market will head during the coming days and coming weeks. There's tensions in the Middle East. Bitcoin has not rallied above new all-time highs for the last 6 months. We're entering the election period that might see huge volatilities in the market. 100k Bitcoin price depends on increasing demand and favorable seasonality. That's what Crypto Quant says. History favors Bitcoin price prospects for Q4, but the quant analysts caution that a consistent uptick in demand will be a crucial component. Q4 has always been bullish for Bitcoin historically. Hopefully this time will not be different. Hopefully we are going to see Bitcoin pump in October, in November, and in December. But guys, remember, this kind can be always different. You don't want to say that because it happened in the past, it will happen again. Past performance is not equal to future performance. We could easily see a curveball by the market right now. The market is designed to get maximum market participants wrecked. So if you see everybody shouting we're going to the moon, be very careful. We might be dumping to gobbling town. Right now, I think we'll have one final shot at that moon mission. If we get there, we'll see a big pump to the moon. If we don't get there, a big dump to gobbling town. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, I'll be watching out for Bitcoin's price. Hopefully we'll rally above that 200-day moving average that sits around $63,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? In the short term, I think Bitcoin can still rally above $65,000, but in the long term, I think Bitcoin is undergoing distribution and we might be heading down to gobbling town. Sentiment in the market right now is fearful. All coins are down. Bitcoin is down. Do you think this dump will last? Is this the last dump before the big pump to the moon? Are you buying the dip? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.